Welcome back to Achieve Greatness. Today, we're diving into a topic that's often shrouded in mystery and intrigue, the art of hiding assets. Whether you're looking to protect your wealth or simply understand the strategies people use, this video will provide you with essential insights. But remember, it's crucial to stay within legal boundaries. Let's get started. First, let's clarify what we mean by hiding assets. Asset protection is a legitimate strategy used by individuals to safeguard their wealth from creditors, lawsuits, or other financial risks. It's not about evading taxes or breaking the law, it's about smart financial planning. Here are some common strategies people use to protect their assets. 1. Establishing a trust can help shield your assets from creditors. A trust allows you to transfer ownership of your assets while retaining control over them. 2. Using LLCs or corporations can protect personal assets from business liabilities. This separation is crucial for entrepreneurs. 3. Adequate insurance coverage can protect your assets from unforeseen events. Consider liability insurance, property insurance, and umbrella policies. 4. Certain retirement accounts are protected from creditors. Contributing to these accounts can be a smart way to safeguard your future. It's essential to understand the legal implications of asset protection. Always consult with a financial advisor or attorney to ensure your strategies comply with the law. Engaging in fraudulent asset hiding can lead to severe penalties. While protecting your assets is important, it's equally vital to consider the ethical implications. Transparency and honesty should guide your financial decisions. Remember, the goal is to protect, not to deceive. In summary, mastering the art of hiding assets is really about understanding how to protect your wealth legally and ethically. By utilizing strategies like trusts, limited liability entities, insurance, and retirement accounts, you can safeguard your financial future while staying within the law. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and share it with anyone who might benefit from this information. And don't forget to subscribe to your channel name for more insights on financial literacy and wealth management. Now, I want to hear from you. What strategies have you considered for asset protection? Have you ever consulted a financial advisor? Let me know in the comments below. And if you have any questions or topics you'd like us to cover in future videos, drop those suggestions too. Thanks for watching, and remember, knowledge is power when it comes to managing your finances. Until next time, stay smart and stay secure.